Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to add PHP to a web page and write your first PHP page. We can write programs that are mostly HTML with just the occasional PHP statements. In this video, we will start with an HTML page and learn how to add PHP statements to it. So first we are going to uh, have our PHP file. I already created a file test.php, and we are going to start with the simple HTML page first. Then we are going to add PHP also. So first I will just use the HTML tag. And we are going to have a head tag starting and ending, and inside head we are going to have a title uh, for our page, and then we are going to have a body tag, and we are going to have a heading, welcome to my page, to my web page. And now we're just going to run it on our web server. So we have just added HTML code, no PHP code yet, and we are just going to start our server and open this test.php file. We need a .php extension instead of .html because we are going to add a PHP code to our web page. Now we are going to run the server. So the server is started at 3000. I'm using this extension PHP server project, and now we are going to open a browser and add localhost and the port 3000. So here is the output of our web page. Welcome to my web page, and this is a heading, and we can see the page title over here, hello world example. Let's go back. So we have this .php extension, and the PHP processor reads through the file to see if there is any PHP to process. Any HTML that it finds, it's print to the screen. For now, because all it found was HTML, the result was just the same as the .html file if we save into .html file. So now we are going to write a PHP code, and we are going to print today's date. So in our HTML, inside our body tag, we are going to do today's date, and we are going to add a PHP starting tag and the ending tag. So the PHP processor look for blocks of code that start with this PHP tag uh, and ends with the, and it interprets everything after that as a PHP code until it's get or reach to ending tag. So everything inside from here to here it processes as a PHP code. So now we are going to do echo, and we're going to do echo, and we are going to use a date function, and we are going to pass in month. So the uppercase M is for short textual representation of a month. Then we are going to add lowercase j. This is for the day of the month. Then we are going to add uppercase Y, a 4-digit representation of a year. So, and it's a semicolon. And now we are going to open our browser again and check that output. And we can refresh our page and it prints to this date. Uh, the echo function tells the processor to output data. So we are going to print a hello world message also. I will just add inside this PHP code. And here we are going to print break for new line. And here will be hello world. And we just going to make it a heading. So this will be h2 heading, and this h2 ending tag. And now we are going to refresh our page again, and we get this hello world. With the echo you can use either a single quote or double quotes. Now we are going to look at the include function. The include function tells the processor to take the file that you specify and insert in the place of the include statement. So we are going to create another file and we are just going to call it content. And I will save in the same PHP folder. And here we are going to write some or add some tags. So I have this tags in our content.php. Now we are going to include this file in our test.php. So in our body tag, of our web page. After hello world, you can include wherever you want that file content to be. So this will be uh, I will use it after this PHP tag, and we are going to add our new PHP tag, and we do include, and here you need to pass in the file name, and we have in our same directory, so I'm just gonna pass in content.php and the ending tag of PHP. Now we are going to refresh our browser again, and the content of content.php should be added after our hello world heading in our test.php file. And when we refresh our page, we can see the content from our content.php added to our test.php file. So let's go back. The include makes it possible to create a single file that can be called multiple times, or to create a single file where you can swap different parts in and out. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.